Is taxation robbery and inflation theft? Means, first of all, let us understand what is robbery and theft and what is property. Means, here property I am referring to intellectual property, digital property, or physical property. In like watch, etc., are your physical properties, and digital property can be like whatever you post on the social media or something like that. And the intellectual property is any idea that your ideas, your copyright, patents, etc., are intellectual property. When we say that that the property, I have to go there, we always say that property is something like consent. We treat it like consent. Means, let's say you want, a person is having some food or watch or something like that, and you want that watch or food, then you ask from that person that I want that watch, can you give me, or you give some money to get that watch or something like that. This is called, this is how you buy consent. Or he can also give you the watch voluntarily if he wants. This is why we say property is consent. But if you take the person's watch without his consent, then it becomes a theft. And if you use force to take watch of that person, then it is called robbery. Means, having a gun or weapon, using weapon to take away someone's property is what we call robbery. And there is also fraud, where you use manipulation to take away someone's property, which is called fraud or scam. Happens everywhere. These are termed as a financial, economic, or property crimes. Therefore, now the question arises: if the taking someone's property without the consent of that person is called financial crime or economic crime, then then in the case of taxation, what happens, that government forces people to give, means you have to give certain amount of money to me if you are earning that amount of money. Means, if you do not give that money, then you will be thrown inside the jail. Then um, jail. Therefore, now the question arises: is it robbery? Means government is a robber, criminal, or something. At the same time, yeah, or and when it comes to inflation, what does they do? Therefore, it is a kind of robbery. Means, here government is using force to take away the property of the person, and if you, therefore, means legal force here they are using. Therefore, it is robbery. But at the same time, the question is that if it is robbery, but the same money is being used for roads, transportation, healthcare, at the same time giving justice to the people. Therefore, uh, is it robbery or not? The question remains. Therefore, the concept of consent is vague here. Means it, and there was a philosopher named Thomas Hobbes who has said that government is a small criminal, a necessary criminal that protects us from the bigger criminals, like other type of bigger types of robbery, theft, economic crimes, or physical sexual abuse, or even murder or something like that. But at the same time, it happens the government also commits crime. These are called the political crimes. Means, the we are having a system which protects us. Means, we are having a criminal that protects us from the other criminals. um, but the criminal is should be small in nature. Therefore, we need accountability in governance.